So if you're an iPad artist that uses a Sketchboard Pro and you want to add keyboard shortcuts to your workflow, I think I found the perfect solution. I was looking to throw together an all-in-one self-contained setup when I came across this Duhoic mini Bluetooth keyboard on Amazon. By the way, this video isn't sponsored at all, but I'll leave a link to this in the description. So I paid right around $25 for this and chose this one because the size nicely fits that lower frame of both versions of the Sketchboard Pro. It charges through USB-C and comes with a portfolio cover, which is actually glued to the keyboard. So first things first, we're going to need to cut off that front flap. With that done, I just added some AB 3M magnetic tape to the back and then firmly press the keyboard onto the sketchboard. So if you're right-handed, I suggest placing it in the lower left-hand corner so it's a little bit more comfortable to get to. Go ahead and put it in the lower right-hand corner if you're left-handed. Then once it's charged and paired, we're ready to go. For sculpting programs like ZBrush, it comes in super handy for switching between the Shift, the Control, the Alt, and the Space functions, but you still have access to the rest of the keyboard shortcuts, which makes coming over from the desktop version of ZBrush to the iPad version super intuitive. The same thing goes for Nomad. Once you get the hang of adding those keyboard shortcuts to your workflow, it really speeds up the creative process. And it's not just for sculpting programs. Any app that supports keyboard input will work. So with Procreate, you're going to be able to take advantage of all those shortcuts too. And it doesn't matter if you're using the Gen 2 Sketchboard on a VESA ARM mount, using either version flat on a desk, or going the lap route on your couch. This handy little keyboard is going to give you that added access no matter where you decide to create. So I've got to ask, are you team touchscreen, or have you maybe already added a keyboard to your process? Do me a favor, drop your setup down in the comments below. Make sure you follow me for more digital art tips and tricks, and let's upgrade your workflow one shortcut at a time. I'm BJ Dell, and until next time, keep creating.